Looking for an electric kettle? We've got you covered. Our comprehensive review ranks the top 13 options available on the market. We spent hours researching the most popular kettles before purchasing the leading models for in-house comparative testing. There are many products available to choose the best electric kettles for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric kettles for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall electric kettle. Bonavita 1.0 power over lovers and tea brewers alike will appreciate the Bonavita 1.0L for its variety of presets and capable performance. This sleek, well-designed gooseneck offers a controlled and balanced pour thanks to its ergonomic handle that allows you to easily manipulate your pour speed. Beyond the pour, the Bonavita base has a screen displaying the current temperature and offers a built-in timer for dialing in that perfect pour over coffee. And for tea drinkers, the temperature controls allow for heat adjustments in 1 degrees increments to brew different tea varieties adequately. Overall, we're very impressed with this kettle's performance, but we observed a few shortcomings. For example, the Bonavita lacks an audible alert indicating when you reach your desired water temperature. Also, compared to other models we tested, this one takes the longest to reach the desired temperature at maximum fill capacity. However, decrease the kettle by half a cup, 3.5 cups of water instead of 4, and the boiling speed is a whopping 2 minutes faster. Also, we noted temperature discrepancies in the keep warm feature, which kept the temperature stable at 4 degrees lower than the selected preset. These flaws may not matter for brewing at home, but can be potentially frustrating for high-volume service. Despite these limitations, the Bonavita's merits far outweigh its flaws. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. Secura stainless steel. Secura stainless steel is a good option for anyone looking for a simple, affordable electric kettle. This model offers fun colorways, automatic shut-off, and sturdy insulation at a price that will not break the bank. In addition, this remarkably inexpensive kettle has a large water reservoir, making it the easiest to fill out of all the reviewed models. The pitcher-style spout on the Secura pours relatively smoothly but lacks the precision of a gooseneck kettle. It's lightweight but difficult to keep balanced, creating a challenge when attempting to slow down the speed of your pour. In addition, this kettle does not have water temperature controls or a temperature holding function. Precise pour and temperature controls are essential for specialty coffee, so this kettle is not a good option for pour-over coffee brewers. However, if you're looking for a straightforward kettle just to boil water, the Secura is an easy choice. Number 3. Best for a cool touch. Zwilling Enfinigy Cool Touch Pro. The Zwilling Enfinigy Cool Touch Pro is a standard spout electric kettle with a timeless design that will look good on any countertop. The control panel on the baseplate offers useful preset functions to adjust brew temperatures for baby milk food, teas, coffee, and a full boil. The water reservoir is double-walled, holding in heat while staying cool to the touch on the outside. This model is tall enough to heat a bottle and, paired with the cool touch design, is a good option for anyone with young children. While the Zwilling design speaks to many, specialty coffee fans may want to think twice. The opening of this pitcher-style kettle is a bit larger than others, resulting in a broader streamed pour. It is not nearly as easy as a gooseneck to keep your pour steady and even. Those habitually in a hurry may also see the long boil time, just over 5 minutes for 4 cups, as an inconvenience. Finally, our testers found that holding the power button down for a few seconds to turn the machine on was an extra nuisance. Yet, This unit has a lot to offer if you're not too particular about your pour. Number 4. Best for pour-overs. Fellow Stagg EKG is an excellent sidekick for brewing pour-over coffee and has become the standard at many high-end specialty cafes. Whether sitting on your desk or coffee bar, this kettle is a statement piece. The EKG offers a beautiful modern design and minimalist base that guarantees not to overcrowd your setup. The narrow gooseneck spout and counterbalanced handle restrict water flow to a slow, steady and controllable stream. These features significantly help in the pursuit of brewing the perfect pour-over coffee. This model also has adjustable temperature controls, a built-in timer, automatic shut-off, and temperature holding, all great features for anyone aiming to hit manual brew recipe targets. You can also upgrade the handle and lid knob to wood for an even classier aesthetic. On the downside, the EKG has a smaller holding capacity, 0.9 L, and a relatively long boil time. At first, the temperature rate of rise is pretty fast, but then it creeps slowly up to the 200-degree mark. As a result, it's not great for uses outside the specialty drink realm. However, if your primary hot water need is for pour-over coffee, this kettle is a true pleasure. Number 5. Breville IQ Electric Kettle. Breville, Sage in the UK and Australia, has carved out a niche in the small appliance market as purveyors of high-quality products far from cheap, but not too premium. This 2,400-watt kettle epitomizes their approach to form and function. It feels good, looks good, works well, boils quickly, and should last for years. It also teaches you the correct temperature to brew better-tasting drinks, with 5 presets including those for brewing green tea, oolong, coffee, and black tea. Yes, there are loads of buttons as a result, but all of them make sense. In Wired contributor Chris Haslam's test kitchen, lined up alongside the KitchenAid, Hey, and Wolf options, it was the undisputed champion of repeat use with comments about the ease and smoothness of the pour commonplace, which, given the quality of the competition, is saying something. There's genuinely nothing to fault here, and while the price point is high, it's not extortionate, and the look will happily fit in with most kitchen schemes. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.